Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need.
Happy birthday, Henry. I am so excited. You are 9 years old. This is such a huge birthday. I am so proud of you. You are such a great son and brother and friend and cousin. Everybody loves you. I hope you have a great day. Love you.
Happy birthday. I want you to know how proud I am of you. You are an amazing basketball player. You are becoming a great soccer player. You're an incredible artist. I love all your works and everything that you do and all your drawings and everything. But most of all, I'm proud of the brother and the kid that you are and that you're becoming. You make me proud every day. And I just want to say, I hope you have the happiest of birthday, and I love you with all my heart. Have fun.
Happy birthday, happy hoppin' Henry. Granddaddy loves you to the moon and back, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. Happy birthday.
Hi Henry, I had fun celebrating with you at the movie theaters. I hope you have a fun party.
Hey Henry, happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, man.
Hope you have a great day. Have fun. See you soon, buddy.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Henry. We love you so much, and we hope you're having an amazing birthday and having so much fun at your party. And just know that the Wiley family will be here for you always and forever. We love your giant heart and how loving and caring you are, and your confidence. It's just huge, and both those things are going to carry you through life, and you're going to do amazing things. We love you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Henry. I hope you have the best 9th birthday ever. You are one of the craziest, wild kiddos I know, that have a heart of gold for everyone that you meet. So I hope you have the best birthday. I know that no matter what, you're going to make this day awesome because that's just what you do. Anyway, happy birthday, bud. I love you.
Happy birthday, Henry. 9 was my favorite age of my life.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Henry. I love you so much. I hope 9 treats you better than 8 did. You're an amazing Fortnite player, and I love you so much.
This message is for Henry, my best friend and my best Fortnite duo partner. Don't tell Reagan or Jack. I hope you have the best birthday. Love you, and I can't wait to have some fun. Let's go.
Hey Henry, happy birthday. Hold on a second. Sorry, just had to finish up some business there. Anyway, happy birthday.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.